Well, the tire pressures are low again this morning, but it's not giving me a warning light. That's really confusing. Because yesterday it was all at 29, I think, and then 127. Today, oh, now they're at 29 and 30. I don't know. It's Dodge things. Anyway, off to work. I got a little more painting to do today. I'll get this room finished, and then if there's enough time and it's warm enough this afternoon, I'm gonna try and get the Corvette up on ramps so that I can tighten the exhaust. I doubt I'm gonna be able to do it, but might as well try. I've got sort of the right tools, I just don't have a lift. I would prefer to do it on a lift because it's so low to the ground. But we'll see you guys after work. Well, I got the tires aired up on the Jeep, and then I got the tires aired up on the Corvette. I got the back of the Corvette cleaned out, and I still have quite a few things to install right here. This is brackets and brackets and brackets, a couple things. So I'm gonna try and get those knocked out right now, and hopefully I can take this thing for a drive in just a little bit. I finally got the kit for the headlight, so I'm gonna see if that is gonna fix the headlight. So I have this box of parts left. It's mostly brackets to hold like the spark plug wires and whatnot. As far as everything in here, it's like ready to go. The interior needs some work. But we're gonna take it for a drive and just see. By the way, I fixed the exhaust. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to tell the difference, but might as well turn it on so you can hear it. So much quieter. So much quieter than it was. So I'm actually going to go for a quick drive in this, just kind of feel it out, make sure everything's good, and come back and we'll tinker on it some more. I've got the headlight kit that I got today, and then I got mirrors for my motorcycle we can put on. Alright, I got the mirrors. I'm pretty sure they're for a bicycle because these rubbers are fairly small, and the rubbers that were originally on the bike are much larger. So I am going to end up using the original rubbers because they actually held in there really well, and then I'm going to just make it work. Well, that seems to be a failure. As you can see, there's no mirrors on the handlebars, and they're not even here. They're in the box getting ready to get shipped back to Amazon because, first of all, the rubbers that went in there were slightly smaller. I wasn't able to get any of the stuff to work with the hardware that I have, and I was just like, you know what, send them back, get my money back, and I will buy a different pair. So I did. Alright, you know, I'm gonna. Well, it doesn't look like I'm gonna get much more done tonight. It's getting late. I'm gonna get this video uploaded. I know my life's not all that interesting, that's why I usually never post, but I'm just trying this new thing this year. Posting every day, trying to, and we'll see where it goes. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for liking the videos. Thanks for subscribing. I'll see you tomorrow.